Westermans here with a 5-ton head and tail stock, one powered, one idler, 3 spinning. And obviously powered with a variable speed, which is obviously also pendant control. Machine's 400 volts, 3-phase. Also comes with a foot control. There's actual railway lines for the bottom, so you have actually got some movement in between the head and tail stock once set up. Tabletops on these are 1500 diameter, centering rings and T-slot bed. Obviously also you've got the lock-offs. On each corner as required. Like I say, more details available on westermans.com. These come in various sizes. I say these sets are 5-ton, we also do 10-ton, 20-ton. We also do adjustable height on these. More details available on the website. And on these and other welding positioners and sub-arc column and booms, seam welders, MIG, TIG, machine tools and much more. So if it's something you're looking for in engineering, please ask, as we might have it in stock. Thank you for looking.